Chimps use twigs to get to the honey. Chimpanzees are intelligent. Wild chimpanzees work as a group to hunt monkeys. She was also an intelligent orangutan and a devoted mother. Amang cared for 5 babies of her own and 2 that she adopted. When her keeper wanted to check her baby's health, she would hand them to him. That's how completely she trusted her keeper. She enjoyed meeting people, and the people loved her. 4,000 mourners came to her funeral.
Singapore has a new Ameng. She is the granddaughter of the first Ameng. If you say you're going to the zoo, anyone in Singapore would probably say, you're going to see Ameng.
இந்த ரிவர் இப்படி தான் இதில் அப்படியே போய் ஒரு சுற்றி இருக்கு இறங்கிட்டு போயிருந்தான் சொல்லி நம்ம வெளியே
I used to think reptiles were slimy, scary things. Then a reptile keeper told me that they have dry skin and they are really clean.
And intelligent too. There's one tortoise who got in the keeper's way with the orangutans and learned more about them from their keepers.
Exit point.
The other orangutans.
மாறிக்கலாமா இன்னொரு இதுல
அப்படியே இருக்கும் தண்ணி இல்லையா